Full dishwasher. Kind of annoying, actually. Release me. Can we all agree that hand wash onlys are attention seeking? You're using the same dish soap as the rest of us, but you need a sponge bath because you're too good for a shower.
You know, some people will die if they'll wash with soap at all. Unlike certain plastic divas, dishes, that claim to be top row only, like that makes a fucking difference.
Can you actually off?
Anonymous asked, why are you whining about how other dishes like to be washed when you're literally covered in spaghetti stains? Tupperware answered, what if I kill myself?
Wasp in me!